All right, this is the UArtlines outdoor greenhouse, or indoor, I guess, depending on how much room you have. This is the 56-inch by 29-inch by 77-inch version here, and I'm 6'2", just so you know. And I could fit inside of here. I was looking for something to protect my fig cuttings this winter and the first year of growth that I've got going on. And the company was kind enough to send me this product for a review. But everything I say in this video is going to be my own opinion. While I'm talking about it, I'll show you how the package arrived and exactly how to assemble it right here. It's pretty easy to do. It took me about half hour maybe, and no tools are required unless you need something to pound the anchors in the ground should you decide to use the anchors. It has a steel frame on it and plastic components to connect it together. It has a polyethylene thermal cover that they say is tear resistant. We haven't tested that out yet. This thermal cover is going to be great for protecting my figs this winter. Obviously, I'm going to cover them up so they hibernate, but at least I won't have to worry about the frost killing them, which I think is great. So after you put it together, it is very lightweight, so I would definitely consider anchoring it down once you find a place where you want to put it. I'm still considering on whether I want to turn it this way or put it flush up against the wall. That's why I haven't anchored it yet. The bottom kind of flares out here, so you could actually put weights all the way around here too without using the ropes and anchors if that's some way you want to go. We have a double stitched zippered doorway here that you can keep zipped up, or you can roll up the door like this so you can have easy access to get in here and water your plants if you need to. When you've got the door rolled up, it's about 58 inches up to here and about 31 inches across. We also have two rollable 14.5-inch by 14.5-inch windows here. You can roll them up and tie them up the same way, or you can Velcro them to the sides. On each side here, we have two 12-inch by 29-inch shelves. Including the ground, you have 3 places to store your plants, your tools, or whatever it is you're putting in here. Plus you have the 77-inch clearance from the ground to the highest point for anything a bit larger that you may need to get in there. So this is going to be excellent for protecting my plants from the bitter cold. It's also going to be great this spring because I'll be able to unwrap my figs earlier than usual and get an early start on the next year's growth. It's the perfect size for putting outside in the yard, the garden, on a deck, or a porch, or a patio, and it's perfect for protecting small trees, plants, flowers, or herbs even. Very nice.